What if I told you that finding the right business card at the right time could change your life? Perhaps it could help you save more money, find a better quality product, or save more valuable time. Don't misplace another business card, and never miss out on an opportunity to connect with customers ever again. LinkCard is the #1 easiest way to store and manage all your business cards in one place. It's easy to use, free to register, and so convenient. Here's how it works. LinkCard is a mobile app that allows you to keep business cards safe, secure, and organized 24/7. Each user and business owner is given a QR code upon registering. Simply scan the QR code and store your business cards with the click of a button. No emails or phone numbers necessary. It's simple, easy to use, and keeps you organized so you can find specific business cards when you need it most. And for business owners, this is the perfect way to connect with new customers and grow your business. It's a great way to promote online, communicate the latest specials, new menu items, and the best deals with customers all over the world. And here's the best part. You can update your menu, display new prices, or announce changes by updating your info through LinkCard. All new updates are available to customers immediately, so they're always in the loop. Staying organized and running your business has never been so simple. Download the LinkCard app today.